Are mobile crypto wallets really safe in 2025? With the rise of cryptocurrency adoption, mobile crypto wallets have become increasingly popular. But, are they secure enough to store your valuable digital assets? In this video, we'll dive into the world of mobile crypto wallets and explore the safety features, vulnerabilities, and best practices to protect your crypto investments. From private key management to two-factor authentication, we'll cover it all. Watch to find out. Join me as I dive into the world of mobile crypto wallets to find out if their safety is just a myth in 2024. Did you know that over $100 million worth of cryptocurrency was stolen from mobile wallets in the past 2 years due to hacks and phishing scams? With cyber threats on the rise, finding the safest mobile crypto wallet in 2025 is more critical than ever. Security features like end-to-end encryption, non-custodial control, multi-factor authentication, and compatibility with hardware wallets are now essential. Choosing a wallet that undergoes regular security audits and has a proven track record in safeguarding assets can help protect your investments. Always ensure you're downloading wallets from official sources to avoid falling victim to malicious attacks. Mobile crypto wallets have revolutionized the way people manage their digital assets, offering convenience and accessibility right from the palm of your hand. As cryptocurrencies become more mainstream, the use of mobile wallets has surged, with millions of users relying on these apps for trading, storing, and transferring their coins. This growing popularity stems from their ease of use and the ability to access funds anytime, anywhere. However, as adoption rises, so do security concerns, making the safety of mobile crypto wallets a critical topic for 2025 and beyond. Despite their convenience, mobile crypto wallets come with several security concerns that users must navigate. Hacks are a major threat, with cybercriminals exploiting vulnerabilities in wallet software or targeting users through malware and phishing attacks. Scams, such as fake wallet apps or deceptive links, trick users into revealing private keys or recovery phrases, leading to the theft of their assets. User vulnerabilities also play a significant role. Inadequate security practices, such as weak passwords or failure to enable two-factor authentication, can make wallets easy targets. Additionally, the risk of losing access due to misplaced recovery phrases or device theft adds another layer of concern, emphasizing the need for vigilance and robust security measures. Mobile crypto wallets implement several advanced security measures to protect users' digital assets. Encryption is a cornerstone, ensuring that private keys and transaction data are stored securely. Multi-factor authentication, MFA, adds an extra layer of protection by requiring additional verification steps, such as a code sent to a trusted device. Non-custodial wallets, where users retain control of their private keys, are gaining popularity for their enhanced security and independence from centralized services. Integration with hardware wallets also provides an added safeguard, keeping private keys offline and away from potential cyber attacks. However, even with these measures, real-world breaches have highlighted vulnerabilities. In 2023, a prominent wallet service faced a massive breach when attackers exploited an API vulnerability, compromising thousands of accounts. Similarly, fake wallet apps have deceived users into downloading malicious software, resulting in significant losses. Experts point out that while the crypto wallet industry has made significant strides in improving safety, gaps remain. Cybersecurity analysts emphasize the importance of regular security audits and updates to counter emerging threats. They also advocate for better user education, as human error, such as falling for phishing scams or mismanaging recovery phrases, remains a significant risk factor. The consensus is clear. While mobile wallets are safer than ever, staying ahead of cyber criminals requires constant innovation and user diligence. Recent studies and expert insights paint a nuanced picture of mobile wallet safety, challenging the perception that they are inherently secure. A 2024 report by a leading cybersecurity firm revealed that nearly 60% of mobile crypto wallet users experienced some form of targeted phishing attack, underscoring the persistence of social engineering threats. However, the same study highlighted that wallets with advanced security features, such as biometric authentication and hardware wallet compatibility, drastically reduced the likelihood of breaches. On the other hand, blockchain security experts argue that no wallet is entirely immune to risk. They point to high-profile incidents, such as a 2023 breach where attackers exploited a zero-day vulnerability in a popular wallet app, causing millions in losses. These cases demonstrate that even wallets with robust safeguards can be compromised if not regularly updated or if underlying technologies are flawed. Nonetheless, other findings provide hope. A recent analysis by crypto safety advocates found that wallets prioritizing non-custodial designs and frequent security audits showed near-zero incidents of direct breaches. This suggests that while the myth of mobile wallet invincibility is debunked, advancements in wallet technology and user awareness are turning the tide towards safer practices, marking a critical evolution in crypto asset protection. The best crypto mobile wallets in 2025 are those that prioritize security, ease of use, and wide compatibility with cryptocurrencies. Here are some top options. Trust Wallet, a non-custodial wallet known for its intuitive interface, multi-currency support, and integration with decentralized applications, dApps. It offers features like staking, an in-app browser for DeFi platforms, and biometric security. MetaMask, highly popular for Ethereum and ERC20 tokens, MetaMask is a versatile wallet with a seamless mobile and desktop experience. It provides robust encryption, non-custodial control, and access to dApps. Exodus, an aesthetically designed wallet supporting multiple cryptocurrencies. Exodus offers a built-in exchange, integration with the Trezor hardware wallet, and 24/7 customer support, making it user-friendly and secure. Ledger Live, with Ledger hardware wallet, combining the Ledger Live mobile app with a Ledger hardware wallet ensures maximum security. It allows you to manage over 5,000 assets while keeping your private keys offline. Coinbase Wallet, separate from the Coinbase exchange, this non-custodial wallet supports various coins, NFTs, and decentralized apps. Its seamless integration with the Coinbase ecosystem is ideal for beginners. Electrum, a lightweight wallet primarily for Bitcoin enthusiasts. Known for its speed and advanced security features like two-factor authentication and cold storage options. Crypto.com DeFi Wallet, a decentralized wallet supporting a wide range of tokens and NFTs. It offers integration with the Crypto.com ecosystem and features like staking and Wallet Connect for DeFi platforms. When choosing a wallet, consider your needs, whether it's multi-currency support, dApp integration, or offline storage. Always download wallets from their official websites or app stores to avoid counterfeit apps. The safest mobile crypto wallet in 2025 depends on factors like security features, ease of use, and compatibility with cryptocurrencies. Look for wallets with strong encryption, multi-factor authentication, and support for hardware wallet integration. Wallets offering non-custodial features, ensuring users retain private keys, are ideal for full control of assets. Reputable options often include wallets that undergo frequent audits and have a solid track record in the crypto community. Always download wallets from official sources and verify their authenticity to avoid scams or phishing attempts. We'd love to hear from you. Share your experiences with mobile crypto wallets in the comments below, whether it's your favorite features, security concerns, or tips for staying safe. Your insights could help others in the community make informed decisions. And don't forget to check out our next video, where we'll dive into essential crypto security tips to keep your digital assets protected in 2025. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss it. Stay secure and see you in the next one.